The Ministry of Local Government is currently overseeing 135 districts and 10 cities, and if they all had active committees on adolescent health that are well funded, their situation would be brighter.
Government is ready through the local governments, through the cities, 10 of them, through the districts, 135, to make sure the committees that you have introduced at district level are sustained. Addressing youth leaders, State Minister for Local Government Victoria Rusoke was concerned about the rising cases of HIV and early pregnancies. The problem is we are just artificial, there is no reality on the ground, rooting from parenthood. That's the problem. The whole problem is rooting from poor upbringing. Remember last time in the COVID, I wondered how parents could shout and say, the teachers, these teachers, why did they send the children home for our children to get pregnant?
Rusoke asked youth leaders to promote unity, desist from cohesion as they prepare their fellow youth to get out of the adolescence period. She commended Naguru Youth Network for advocating for the success and skilling of adolescents following the implementation of the district committees on adolescents.
Please fight enemies who are bringing these filthy habits of gayism and lesbianism. They have started infiltrating our schools. It is your role, much as you care for their health, you should also care for fighting the habits that can destroy this country. Parliament came out very clearly. The President was very clear. We are all saying no to those filthy habits of gayism and lesbianism.
Sharifa Nakabubi, the chairleader, Naguru Youth Network, says there is a need to have functional district committees on adolescents for proper representation and sensitization.
I understand there are some health workers who may not be having the youth-friendly service component in their service provision. At times we find that also the distances the young persons have to move from wherever they are to come and access services is also a challenge. But when we don't give them platforms to iron out, that can affect service uptake by the young persons.
Rusoke emphasized that the wise leadership of President Museveni emphasizes the theme securing the future of the youth. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.